Hi everybody, and welcome to EDU 201, Intro to American Education. So I have opened the Blackboard shell, and excuse me, I have this Start Here module. Shows you how to access the ebook. I don't know if you're going to have to register an account when you go to set that up, but the link should prompt you like create an account or I'm a new user, or it should just go right to the ebook. This folder, you'll have a copy of the syllabus, and I ask that you read the syllabus now. Then you can see we have week 1, August 15th through August 21st content in this folder here. You're going to do a discussion board where you introduce yourself. And then you can see I've got this Unit 1, Teaching Curriculum and Instruction, and it covers, well, several weeks, but I've got them hidden because I haven't changed the dates and got everything. None of those dates are correct. I haven't got the due dates changed, but I have information in here for you to go to the week 2 folder if you want to start looking at it as well. You'll have this wrapping it up questions that you have to click on and take a content knowledge test over what you've read in the chapter, all right, in the ebook. So I want you to start reading the syllabus, kind of looking over what content is available in the course. I also have some resources. I have some of these units are hidden, but if you look at the bottom, field experience. So you have to do 15 hours of observations for this course, but we're going to be using a program called Atlas, where you watch videos and then you're going to write up these reflections on the videos, but you still have to do like log into what's called EPSB, the Educational Professional Standards Board in Kentucky. And you've got to set up an account and you've got to log your hours with them. All right, so that's part of what you do for this. So that's going to be something you need to look at. I've got information in here about that, but you are not going to be going into a school and you're not going to be observing in person this semester. So I believe that after Christmas, if you're still at HCC and in the education program, we're going to be going back to in-person observation in the Christian County schools and surrounding schools. But at this time, you're just going to be doing this program called Atlas, and I'm going to submit your name and email address to our system, and then our system is going to get you registered with Atlas, the KCTCS system. Then Atlas or KCTCS will send you an email to HTC, your HTC account, and you're going to have to follow the instructions there to set up your account with Atlas to get access. There's no cost or anything for that. This course has a lot of information about how to do in-person observations in the forms and background checks and procedures and all that. And I'm having to modify it because we're not doing that now at this moment. But since it's going to go back to that, so you might see some information in here that refers to an in-person observation. Don't be confused by that. It's just currently we're doing Atlas, online video observation. All right, you can find out some general information there. Okay, so check that out under textbook and resources. That module is also open. The best way to contact me is through a direct email to my email address. And you could also email me through here, through messages, but make sure to click that button that says send as an email. All right, so as you start out through the syllabus and the modules, just let me know, reach out with questions. All right, everybody, it's August 15th today, the start of the fall 2022 school year. So I hope everybody has a great year. This is an online class. I'm going to try to make some videos like this to help increase or boost my presence in the course. So you feel like you have an actual person as an instructor. And just feel free to reach out to me with any questions, comments, or concerns. All right, have a good first week.